To my channel. So today we are going to make a video on my fishes which I caught. There's some platies, Santa platy and some Alice hotel and two guppies are there. So I brought them for uh, this much amount. So I'll show you. These are the platies. Summer sunset platy, summer center platy, and I guess it is golden one. Let me know in the comments which are the golden ones. I'll show you. So let's put it on the tank. So let us put into the fish tank for 15 to 20 minutes to match the temperature of the fish tank water and this water, so that they won't get water shocks. Actually, I had a problem with my water pipe yesterday, so I'll fill up by tomorrow or day after tomorrow a little bit till here, approximately over here. So let's wait for 15 minutes. Okay, so guys, and I have got this micro pellets for guppy and this platy, and I have two bunch of plants, which is 40 rupees for one, and its name is cucumber, which is I have heard which is good for breeding of platies and guppies, mollies and all. So actually today is 1st January, so I thought I will start breeding over a platy and guppies. It's a red tail guppy which I bought for around 1200, which is quite costly, but I got total discount overall it. So it was around 5300, 400 amount something, and the shopkeeper gave me almost on 5100. So let's see after more 5 minutes, I guess. I have put my fishes all over in fish tank. So see you in 5 minutes. Okay, start. This is how the cucumber plant looks, if anyone doesn't know. It grows without gravel, so there is no need for gravel. As you can see, my tank is empty, so you can put this plant. So 20 minutes are completed, so I will open my platy fish and molly fish. So let's open it. Okay, so let's open the fish. let's put the fish. One by one, I'll put it by hand only, because this caraway is too big. Let's use the net. So let's open now guppy, which is a red tail one, and it's a loaded one. Purposely I bought it loaded one. There are two females in it. This sunset platy, this one is very rare, which has a look at its dorsal fin. It has a very long dorsal fin. This one is male, which is in front. These are very rare in India currently. My tanks, I'll show you the measurements. It's around 3 feet, 3 feet like this, 1.5 feet like this, and height is around 1.30. Okay, so guys, I have multicolor light, which is normal around 250 to 300, I guess. It's the price. I bought it around 1 year ago. So there are, it's a multicolor light. As you can see it, there is a white light, as the earlier video you saw, earlier footage you saw. There is a pink light, which is this one. I like this one. And there is a white and blue light, which is a good light, not average one, but I like this light very much. The sunset platies are looking awesome. I don't know how you guys are seeing it. The red tail guppy will breed soon, so if anyone needed the babies, then you can contact me in comments. Looks like pretty much settled, guys. All the fishes are settled except this one, which is hidden behind this temperature one. Temperature is around 28, as you can see. This is the sticker which I bought for 60 or 80 rupees, I don't remember. I think which is costly, it should get around 30 to 50 rupees. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Please do let me know in the comments how was this video, and even I make the video when the mollies will breed and platies will breed and guppies will breed. If anyone needed the babies, well, I'll post the video when there will be a breeding once again. So if anyone needs the babies, will contact me. If you want the babies, can contact me in the comments. I'll be active on this account, so no need to worry. You can get little bit late reply, but you'll surely get. I'll make sure. So that was it. Thank you for watching.